Alright, hey guys, Holy Master here. Like I said, no talking. I'm just, that's my intro. Without further ado, I'm gonna play his phrases, and he sings the song once. So here we go.
Alright, Whoville. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are here. You're as cuddly as a cactus, and as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. And that's bad.
So that was one.
If you're
Two.
hungry for humbug, I'm the special of the day. And I deliver.
This is the third one. Fourth.
Who knows? This humiliation could change my entire outlook on life.
Five. Six.
I love you.
Seven.
Yes, this Christmas music.
8.
Oh, the sorrow, the agony.
9.
I can't get enough. Merry Christmas,
10.
one and all. I did it. I'm
11.
the Grinch that stole Christmas. All right, Whoville.
11. So, again, guys, I've seen videos of this thing. I knew it sang the one song, but the reason I was counting, I didn't know how many phrases it has, and because it didn't come with the box, we didn't know. Again, this is my first time seeing one of these things in person, let alone being able to make a video of one. So yeah, again, I gotta give Isaiah thanks for letting me review it, and all his other items.
No problem whatsoever.
Now, we've made like 10 videos today, I think. And there's still a whole basement full.
Oh, yeah,
The whole basement filled, and a whole shed filled with stuff, too, I'm going to do reviews on with Isaiah. So, yeah, guys. That's it for this video. Thanks
More
for
to
watching.
come.
Yeah, more to come. Thanks for watching, and peace out.